Hey, I want to show you, I just bought this Tekonsha 90195 Prodigy P3 proportional brake controller. Manual right here on the back end, 4 pins in. Going to put it in my Dodge truck. I made it a little easy on myself. I bought, well, it does come with this power, this one cable. I bought this adapter to be able to plug it right into my wiring harness. I still had to run a wire all the way back for the electric brakes. But I just want to tell you that I have already taken a trip, and I'm towing a 24-foot trailer, and it turned out beautifully. I'd like all these little menu controls in here. If you need, well, I'm doing manual there just to show you how many volts you can put in there. But I like in here where you can set boost levels. And, it just depends on the weight that you have going on. But right here, I was able to set the power in increments because when I first took off, 14 volts was just too much. I'd hit the brake and the trailer brakes would engage too much. And I was just simply able to dial it down to around 12.4 volts. And then when I got a load on it, I took it up to about 12.6 volts. And I was able to get it real comfortable where I felt like my braking and the trailer braking were in sync with each other. I had no issues. I installed it. It communicated it tells me that the trailer's plugged in. So I know that it's talking to my trailer. I really do like this unit.